Hey everybody, you had section 10-10, numbers 3 through 27, multiples of 3. Okay, here we go. 1 plus 2 over x over 3/4. Okay, we should get the denominators to match. If it helps, the denominator for this is 1. This denominator is missing an x and a 4. I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 4x. This one is missing a factor of 4. Multiply top and bottom by 4. This denominator is missing a factor of x. Multiply top and bottom by x. Now we have 4x over 4x plus 8 over 4x over 3x over 4x. Once the denominators match, we multiply by the common denominator to the top and bottom. That'll cancel out all the denominators. I have 4x plus 8 over 3x. All the fractions are gone. We can factor the top. That'll give us 4 parentheses x plus 2 over 3x. Number 6. 6 is 5 over 27 minus 5 over 1 over 3 plus 1. The whole numbers have a denominator 1. We need a common denominator for all the fractions. We're going to go for 27. 3 can be changed to 27. These automatically can be changed by 27. Just multiply. So multiply top and bottom by 27. Multiply this one by 9, top and bottom. Okay, 5 over 27 minus 135 over 27 over 9 over 27 plus 27 over 27. We multiply by 27 to the top and the bottom. That'll cancel out all the denominators. That leaves us with 5 minus 135 over 9 plus 27. That'll give us negative 130 over 36. I think it can be simplified. Oh, they're even. Negative 65 over 18. I think that's it. That's the answer for number 6. Number 9. Number 9 says 7 over y over 1 over 4 plus 2 over y. We can go for 4y. This is missing a factor of 4. Multiply top and bottom by 4. This fraction is missing a y. This one missing a factor of 4. So now we have 28 over 4y over y over 4y plus 8 over 4y. Okay, denominators match, so we're going to multiply by 4y to the top and bottom so that it cancels out all the denominators. That leaves us with 28 over y plus 8. There's nothing we can cancel. That's your answer for number 9. Number 12. 2 over y plus 1 over 2y over y plus y over 2. This has a denominator of 1. We need to get a common denominator 2y. If I multiply this one by 2, top and bottom, that's already 2y. I should multiply this one by 2y, top and bottom. Multiply this one by y. That'll give us 4 over 2y plus 1 over 2y over 2y squared over 2y plus y squared over 2y. Now the denominators match. Let's eliminate the denominator. Multiply top and bottom by 2y. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 2y squared plus another y squared is 3y squared. Number 15. 15 says 2 over a plus b over 4 over a squared minus b squared. Okay, this one's a little different. If you look at the denominators, this one can be factored. I can go to 2 parentheses. A squared is a and a. We need a negative b squared. Negative b and positive b. Okay, now looking at this denominator is missing a factor that this one has, the a minus b. So I'm going to multiply top and bottom of that fraction by a minus b. Now the denominators match. If I multiply top and bottom by a plus b, a minus b, that'll cancel the denominators. That'll leave me with 2 parentheses a minus b over 4. The 2 and the 4 cancel. This is 1, this is 2. So that gives us a minus b over 2. Number 18. Says 1 over a minus 1 over 2 over a minus 2. These both have a denominator of 1. So we need the denominators to match. This denominator is missing a factor of 2. Multiply top and bottom by 2. This denominator is missing a factor of a. Multiply top and bottom by a. So we need 2a as our denominators. We're going to multiply both of these fractions by 2a to the numerator and denominator. Two over 2a minus a over 2a over 2a squared over 2a minus 4a over 2a. Okay, the denominators match. We're going to multiply by the common denominator 2a to the top and bottom. That'll cancel out all the denominators. That leaves us with 2 minus a over 2a squared minus 4a. In the denominator, we can factor out a 2a. That'll leave me with a minus 2. On the top, we still have 2 minus a. Oh, we're almost there. These are opposites. 2 minus a and a minus 2. If I cancel, I can replace it with a negative 1. So negative 1 over 2a. This is the simplest version of what we started with. Number 21. Says P over Q plus Q over R over, oh my, R over S plus S over T. Okay, if you look at this denominator, it needs a factor of R, S, and T. I'm going to multiply it by that to the top and bottom. This denominator is missing the Q, the S, and the T. This denominator is missing the Q, the R, and the T. This denominator is missing Q, R, S. Oh boy. Okay, so that'll give us PRST plus Q squared ST over QRST, sorry, over QR squared T over QRST plus QRS squared over QRST. Okay, so all the denominators match. Let's just eliminate them. Multiply top and bottom by QRST. That leaves us with PRST plus Q squared ST. Oh, no R. ST over QR squared T plus QRS squared. The numerator has a common factor, ST. I'll factor that out. PR plus Q squared. On the bottom, they have a Q and an R in common. I'll factor that out. So RT plus S squared. And that's it. Number 24. Says x plus 1 over x plus 2 plus 1 over x over x plus 2 plus 1 over x squared. Okay. Oh, geez. Okay, let's get the denominators to match on the top, and then we'll do it again on the bottom, and then we can compare the two denominators thereafter. I can multiply this one by the x. That's what's missing from this fraction. Multiply this one by x plus 2. Top and bottom. Multiply this one by x squared. Top and bottom. Multiply this by x plus 2. Top and bottom. Now, the denominators don't all match yet. If you look at the numerator and the denominator, this one is missing another x. So I'm going to multiply by another x. So this is x squared to the top and bottom. This one is x. Oh, if I multiply top and bottom, I have to multiply another x on the top. Now the denominators match. If I just multiply by x squared, x plus 2 to the top and bottom, that'll cancel out all the denominators. I'm going to do some distributing. X to the third plus x squared plus x squared plus 2x. On the bottom, x to the third plus x plus 2. In the numerator, oh, I can combine terms. X to the third plus 2x to the second plus 2x over x to the third plus x plus 2. The numerator has an x in common. I'm going to factor that out. X parentheses x squared plus 2x plus 2 over x to the third plus x plus 2. Can we go further? Can I think of how to factor this? I think that's it. Number 27. 27 says a over b minus c over d over b over a minus d over c. This b is missing a d, an a, and a c to the top and bottom. This denominator is missing the a, b, and c to the top and bottom. This denominator is missing the factors b, c, and d. This denominator is missing a, b, and d. Okay, let's see. A squared cd over abcd minus abc squared over abcd all over b squared cd over abcd minus abd squared over abcd. Okay, all the denominators match. I'm going to multiply top and bottom by a, b, c, d. That'll get rid of all the denominators. Okay, that'll give us a squared cd minus abc squared over b squared cd minus abd squared. The numerator, the top, has an AC in common for both terms. I'm going to factor out an AC. That'll give me AD minus BC. On the bottom, they have a B and a D in common. If I factor a B and a D, that's BC minus, if I factor a B and a D, AD. Oh, the parentheses are opposites. I can cancel, replace with a -1. So that'll give me negative AC over BD. Okay, hope to help. We'll see you in the next one.